it. You know how we get this motorcycle? You know how we get this motorcycle? How? We buy your Enfagrow milk powder, and then this is the free gift.
What happened?
Okay.
Why are you laughing?
So this is Vespa motorbike, and then it's baby color. Okay. You know what is this? It's seat. It's the motorbike seat. And then you know what is this? The controller, the handle. Wow. See, we have to assemble it. Okay. Wow, now it's the motorbike. So heavy. Yes, so heavy. Very heavy. Okay. So this is the body. Okay. And this is the
Wheels.
yeah, this is the wheel. How many wheels? I think this is the battery. And this is the seat too. Okay, no, it's empty now. Okay. Let's count. Now here got another wheel. So all together, two wheels are wow. 这个你会过吗 ，baby? Okay. Assemble it, okay? I think we have to look at the instructions first. Oh, baby, be careful, okay? 哦，尖尖哈。Okay, we have to look at the instruction, the guidebook. Yes, thank you. To assemble it. This one first. No, the cover for the wheel. And the top is for the Wow, see? Kau bayar kau bayar. Ah, see, semua aku bayar. Okay, kia. À, 要陪2個嘛。Untighten the screw first. Join the wire. Now put back the screw. Okay, so we have to charge it first. Okay, charge the charging ports here. Okay. Not yet, baby. No, we have to charge first. We have to charge 4 to 6 hours. Okay, before the first time use. So we have to wait 4 to 6 hours first, okay?
Now the motorbike has finished charging. Let's play. First, press the power button.
Okay, you press the power button. Okay.